wanted to send this type of personalized thank you message to each and every lead that I received through a lead form that I've created using Jotform. Yes, here on my screen you can see a personalized WhatsApp message that I have sent to my lead, which I've received via lead form that I've created using Jotform. Here this message says, "Hi Tess, thank you for reaching out to us. We have successfully received your inquiry through our form. Our team will review your details and get in touch with you shortly." So this is a type of thank you message that I want to send to my lead that I'm going to receive for my digital marketing agency. And I have set up this lead form using Jotform. Now here, instead of sending these WhatsApp messages manually, here I've automated this entire process. Yes, you heard it right. Let me show you how this automation works by simply making a form submission using my Jotform. So this is a lead form that I've created using Jotform to attach it with my website. And here, after adding some dummy details, I have added my own phone number over here, and we are going to click on this submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. And as soon as we have made this form submission, an instant WhatsApp message has been received over here with a new personalized name that says "Hi Dummy" and exactly the same message body. This is how magically this automation runs. And I have set up this automation by connecting my Jotform with my all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can also show you that you're going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, you need to create a workflow first, and here you can see 3 different methods. You can create your workflow using any of the method as per your requirement. For now, I'm going to set up my workflow using Quick Builder, and I'm going to direct you towards my workflow window. And here you can see I've successfully set up a workflow using Quick Builder. Now let me tell you that there are 2 most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's build the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I've selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. That means I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. First, here I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Jotform account. So this is my Jotform account, and here I have some existing forms that I've created with different names. In this case, I'm going to use my form that I have with the name lead form. So we're going to click on this edit form option, and from here you need to click on the settings. Under settings, select integrations from the left side bar, and under integrations, you need to select a type of integration that we are going to use, which is webhooks. Here you can see an existing integration. For now, I'm going to remove it, and we are going to add a new integration over here by searching for webhooks once again. Here I'm going to add my webhook URL. Then we're going to click on this complete integration, and it says integration ready. Let's click on this finish button, move towards the publish button, and here you can have your form link. For now, I'm going to open it in a new tab, and with this we have successfully connected our Jotform with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to make a form submission using our Jotform. So again, here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. For the name, I've entered demo user, email as demo@pabblydudes.com, and a random phone number. After that, we're going to click on the submit, and you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we've received a successful response where we have received all the details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now, once we have received a new form submission using Jotform, I'm going to send the automated WhatsApp message. I'm going to send an automated thank you personalized WhatsApp message to this particular lead on WhatsApp. For that, I'm going to use the all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. You can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Vati, Interact, WhatsApp AI Sensi, or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. Alright, we're going to build a new connection. It is asking for a token. So to get the token, click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to the All Pabbly Apps window. From here, select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel. So now here to get the token, click on the settings and select API and webhooks from the settings section. Under this, you can see this is our API token. You need to copy it and you need to add it over here. Click on the save button after that. For now, I'm going to use an existing connection because I've already connected my Chatflow account with my Pabbly Connect in my previous workflow setup. Alright, let's move forward. Then here it is asking for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. So I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, as you know that I want to send this WhatsApp message to my lead. So here I need to add my lead's number. But here instead of entering it manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new form submission through a Jotform. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter slash first and here we're going to map the number that we have received. Moving forward, it is asking for a WhatsApp message. Let me add it. Alright, here I've successfully entered the message where I've added some details and here in the place of name, I'm going to map my lead's name that we have received. Alright, so this is my lead's first name and here I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that text particularly bold. So with this, we have successfully added a WhatsApp message over here. Then here these fields are not required ones. We're going to leave them blank. For the keys, I'm going to turn on this map button and then I'm going to leave it blank because I don't want to add any keys over here. After adding the details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But before that, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on our WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a new WhatsApp message over here that says hi demo with exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Jotform and our action as Pabbly Chatflow, which is an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So that we're going to receive a new form submission through a Jotform. Instantly, a new thank you personalized WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead via Pabbly Chatflow, which is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send WhatsApp message to your Jotform leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.